Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you monthly forecast month of August 2020. All the predictions are based on your moon sign, but you can consider all these predictions according to your Lagna sign as well. So all these predictions are according to Vedic Indian astrology. Sun sign prediction have no relevance with this particular forecast whatsoever. You have to know about your moon sign or you have to know about your ascendant. Then you particularly follow this prediction according to that for all of you. Monthly forecast month of August 2020 for all of you. Going to talk about Gemini. Gemini month of August for you. The transit of Venus or Gemini in first house, 1st August till 1st September. When the Venus is transiting in first house Gemini, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in first house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in first house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting in first house from your moon sign, this particular time period mostly signify material and sensual comfort for you. Companionship, luxuries, lifestyle. You expect a lot of hot and happening around you in the personal front. And if you're eligible bachelor, you'll find a companionship of your finest match. Some of you also expecting arrival of the new member of the family. Socially, very, very finest period, meeting a lot of new people, new companion, beautiful people, enjoying the company to the fullest. You would be honored and your status will be risen. Heightened in the society, people will appreciate you. You'll achieve name, fame and establishment. You'll also get a plenty of opportunity to enjoy, but also indulge in exotic dishes, exotic things. This particular period of the Venus is transiting in your first house. You acquire luxurious items, valuable items to enrich your lifestyle. This particular time period to give you rise in status, prestige and honor. Financially, you would be sailing through smoothly during this particular period. Your economic condition would also improve during this phase of time. If you're a student, this particular time period will prove to be very good period for you to succeed in your field of learning. You may also expect an annihilation of your enemies, and during this particular period, stay away from any kind of negative influences that might get a negative outburst on you. Beware of that. Transit of Mercury in second house. 2nd August till 17th August. When the Mercury is transiting in second house Gemini, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. So transit of Mercury in second house from your moon sign. Transit of Mercury in second house from your moon sign. This time period, during this particular phase of period when the Mercury is transiting in second house from your moon sign, and may I say that this particular signifies financial gain, growth of income, especially if you are dealing with precious stones, jewelry, if you're a professional banker, if you are a financial consultant, if you're a chartered accountant. When the Mercury is transiting in your second house, if you're an IT consultant, you'll make a lot of money through your knowledgeability and skill set. If you're a professional banker, if you're a chartered accountant, if you're working in a financial sector, if you're a salesman, you'll make closing a lot of deals. When the Mercury is transiting in second house, and this particular period also bringing happiness to you in the form of success in your learning and attaining your knowledgeability and skill set. With your knowledgeability and skill set, you will achieve your rising. And this time period bring a company of good people who give you opportunity to achieve dignified status, prestige and honor. And this particular period when the Mercury is transiting in second house, you have some sort of a, may I say that, this time period you have to be very control of your finances regarding your flow of income. You have to be watch your dealing with people, mingling people. This particular period, may I say that you have to be extra cautious and careful when you're dealing or making any financial deal. And don't blind faith on anybody when it comes to dealing with anybody, whether you're dear friend or stranger. Don't blind faith on anybody. Be careful. Transit of Mars in 11th house, 16th August till 4th October. When the Mars is transiting in 11th house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 11th house from your moon sign. When the transit of Mars in 11th house from your moon sign is this bring a happy time for you, for your family. Transit of Mars in 11th house from your moon sign. This period bestow you with land, property, assets, profit in your field of business, activity or trade. Some of you likely to gain from the sibling, family members, business partner. When the Mars is transit 11th house, this could also prove to be good timing for those who are employed. Some of you expecting a rise in your income, position of authority, position at the workplace. Mars transit 11th house Or moreover, all your undertaking are likely to succeed in bringing you good profit and gains. This could be regarded as a time when you would see improvement not only in your professional life but also be personal life, day-to-day life. When the Mars transit 11th house, you may also expecting an upward move to your social status, prestige, respect during this phase of time. Your personality would glow, reflecting your accomplishments. Some of you also expecting a new member of the family, bringing you more happiness and domestic peace. Your family life and sibling will bring more happiness. Health sector should be fine, keeping you hale and hearty, free from any health problem. You also likely to feel more fearless than ever. Transit of Sun in 3rd house, Gemini, 16th August till 16th September. When the Sun is transiting in 3rd house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 3rd house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign, it brings some boost, positive boost to your professional and personal life. When the Sun transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign, you're likely to progress in your career and increased recognition from employer authorities or higher authorities. There's increased chance for promotion or better employment. You feel energetic, enthusiastic, and experience a heightened ability to overcome all the obstacles, resolving problem and overcoming possible obstruction from adverse scenario situations. When the Sun is transiting in 3rd house, your work is most likely to be successful and bring a very dignified rewards for you. This will result in financial gain, absence of money-related worries. You will do well in society, feel more successful, respected, appreciated. Friends, family, acquaintances will love you. You have a chance to spend quality time with them. Your mind is at peace. You feel happy and comfortable with your life. If you have a family, children, you'll enjoy thoroughly parenthood. Your heightened mental and physical fitness will come along with sound health and absence of health problems. Transit of Mercury in 3rd house, 17th August till 2nd September. When the Mercury transiting in 3rd house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 3rd house. When the Mercury is transiting in 3rd house, this time period, Mercury is transiting 3rd house from your moon sign. From the transit of Mercury in 3rd house from your moon sign, this is mostly indicator of phase with your superiors. You have to take extra careful while you're dealing with superior and employer. When the Mercury is transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign, you have to be very careful about your professional relationship. Avoid any kind of argument that will lead to difference of opinion and clashes or misunderstanding with people around you, personally or professionally, both ways. When the Mercury is transiting your 3rd house, stay away from your known enemies and be careful of unknown one. When the Mercury is transiting in 3rd house, this time period also give you new and worthy friends who you would try your rest of your life, who will play a very important role in your life regarding your profession, your gain, your finances. When the Mercury is transiting your 3rd house, handle your finances carefully. Money need extra attention during this phase of time. Be cautious to avoid any loss of money. This journey of Mercury, when the Mercury is transiting in 3rd house, make you suffer from depression, trouble in recollection of facts, mental stress, unexpected hassles in your undertaking. When the Mercury is transiting in 3rd house, you have to be extra careful regarding financial transactions, regarding money-making schemes, regarding mingling or dealing with people around you. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.